evening to everyone. Just now I have shown you the unboxing video of this Orient Electric BLDC fan, which is fire rating fan. Now I'll keep this aside and I'll try to unbox this Atomberg Renesa 5-star BLDC fan. See, this is the package. I ordered two fans, which is one is Orient Electric BLDC fan and another is this Atomberg BLDC fan Renesa. So let us start with the unboxing. Yeah, this fan got around 2 lakh reviews and which is a 4.3. That's the reason I purchased this. The main reason I am going to BLDC fan instead of the traditional normal fan is to cut my power bill. See, these are the blades. Okay, fan blades. I'll keep this aside. I'll try to take the head out and it is lightweight only. Yeah. So yeah, Atomberg ceiling fan Renesa Prime with the remote. Okay, yes, 1200 mm. See here, 1200 mm Renesa Prime remote, glossy brown, and super efficient BLDC motor. 3x runs up to 3x longer on inverter. Contemporary design with a sleeky body, 65% electric savings. And remember, this is the 5-star rating. Okay, I'll try to open this one. Okay, yeah, this is instruction manual that how we can use this, and there is a fitting guide also, maybe screwdriver tester. Yeah, so we'll see this later. Now this is the cute remote which is very handy. I'll be taking this out. Maybe they'll provide batteries also. See, just like the keychain. Detailedly we'll look at this remote. Okay, with batteries are provided, and this is the bridge connection, and this is the extension rod which is of brown color only. Okay, this is the Atomberg cover or the cup, and this is the main head. So I'll be just opening this, and this has LED lights. So once this goes into the fitting, then we can test. I'll attach at the end of the video that how it is working, not only unboxing. Just watch till this video till the end. And this is, see here, it is 5-star rating it is showing. Just if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. Once I fit this, and I asked the Flipkart team, does there is any technician visit to fit this TV? They said there won't be anything such like that. So I need to call the local electrician. Yeah. Once it is fitted, I'll be showing you the remote operation, each and every operation. Yeah, this is lightweight only. This has 5 speeds, and B is for the boost, means you can consider 6, and this for LED lights, and this is the timer. It has the sleep option. I'll explain what the sleep option is. Yeah, this is the installation of Atomberg. Once it is installed, I just try to switch on this with the remote. See, when you click something on the remote, there is an indication light on the remote itself, and there are LED lights which are in circular shape on the fan head. See here, and there are 5 speeds, and one speed is B, is which means boost. You can say it as speed number 6, and the airflow is really good. Means I felt that the real airflow which is of very good in the boost mode. And if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. And if you want Orient BLDC unboxing, just check in the description. And there is also Polycon fan unboxing and working review video. Find it in the description. Both videos I will be keeping in the description, and if you have any other questions, please do ask in the comments.